a vast number of digital influencers are making huge money on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. But do you know many of them are not real? You heard right, they are fake and made by AI. Now you can think, how is that possible? In this era of AI, everything is possible. In today's video, I will share the method of creating hyper-realistic Instagram influencers with AI. Not only that, I will also share the method of creating a passive income with this AI influencer. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need a good name for our account. And to generate a good name, we can use various websites or even ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, give a prompt, give 10 Instagram influencer T, suggested some names of the influencer channel, but we will create a personal account. Let's enter another prompt. Just give me 10 girl names. Now ChatGPT suggested 10 girls' first name, but you need last name also. So ask for a name with a last name. Alright friends, we have got our name. Now we will set up an account on Instagram. If you don't have an account on Instagram, you can create an account with your Facebook account or your email account. I already have an account, so I will log into my account and then customize it. After logging in, I will change the name. Click on the More 3-bar menu and then select Setting. After that, click on Personal Details from here, and then click on your profile. First, change the name and then create a unique username. Now it's time to upload a profile picture, but we don't have any profile picture and we can't use others' profile picture. To solve this issue, we will create a fake character. Move forward to Leonardo AI to do this. If you are new to Leonardo AI, create an account with your Google or Gmail account. After creating or logging in with your account, select the photo reel as the featured model. Now enter a detail prompt. You can use my prompt also. I will put the prompt in the description box. Alright, after generating the images, download one of them. Okay, our profile photo is ready. Let's upload the image on Instagram. After uploading the image out of bio on your new Instagram account. Alright, our account is ready. Now we have to upload photos and reels on our account. But there is a problem. It's very difficult to generate consistent characters in any image generator, and Leonardo AI allows a certain number of images per day for free. For this reason, I will use an alternative TensorArt. I already made a video on TensorArt. You can watch it from the I button. I will put the link in the description box also. You can create an estimated 100 images per day for free. This image generator allows to creation of NTFS photos also. Okay, after coming to the Tensor dashboard, find and select the Epic Realism face model. If you scroll down, you will find images created by this model. Select one image similar to your model image created by Leonardo AI. I will select this one. After selecting the image, click on the Remix button from here. Now do some customization in settings. Increase the image number. After that, change the aspect ratio. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And our image is ready. The images are quite similar to our model image. Now generate more images by removing the base image and changing the prompt from here. Generate images as many as possible. After generating images, download all the images on your device. Alright, I have downloaded all the images on my device, but the images do not match exactly with my original model. And it's not acceptable when we are creating a professional Instagram account. To solve this issue, we need to swap faces between our model and the images created by TensorArt. For face swapping, I will use an AI tool called Linskit Swap. You need a Discord account to run this tool. I will put an invitation link in the description below. After opening the link, click on the Accept Invitation. After joining the Discord server, come to the message box and enter /SaveID. In this case, SaveID means the source image ID. Give an ID name. I will use Amelia as my account name is Amelia. After that, upload the model image created by Leonardo AI. After uploading the image, hit the Enter button. Alright, our Save ID has been created. Now I will swap faces between one of the images generated by TensorArt. To do this, come to the message box again and give a prompt /swap ID. Now upload one image and then enter the Save ID. In my case, my Save ID is Amelia. Then hit the Generate button. And our new image is ready. Now it looks like exactly our model photo. Do the same process with all of the images. Alright, now we have a large number of images with the same look and face. Now we can upload all of the images on our Instagram. Alright, now the Instagram account looks like a real account. It will be more believable if you upload some reels. And the reel video goes viral too fast. But how can we record reels? We won't record any reels, but use others' reels. Don't worry, we don't use the exact reels with multiple person faces, but we'll use an AI tool to swap faces and create an original video that exactly looks like our AI-generated model. To start the process, first we need to find some reels that have similar body shapes and hair colors. I found this profile. Now download some reels. We'll be right back. In the next step, I will use QURIES AI to swap face from reel video. You have to run this on Google Colab Notebook. I will put the link of the Google Colab Notebook in the description box. After coming to the Colab Notebook, hit on the Connect button from here. After establishing the connection, come to Clone QURIES and install dependencies and hit the Run button to start the process. Will take some time. At this time, we will upload our targeted reels and source image to this notebook. To do this, click on the directory icon from here. Now click on the upload icon from here. Now an important part. This AI tool won't work if our file's name contains any space or special character, so we have to rename the files. After renaming the files, upload them on the Google Colab Notebook. Alright, clone QURIES and install dependencies is completed. Now come to the second step. Hit the Run button of the download model. I will be completed instantly. Now come to the deepfake option. In this step, we need to do some customization. We have to change the target video and the source image file path. To do this, come to the directory panel and select one of the targeted video files. Click on the three-dot menu and select the copy path. After that, come to the code panel and select the target file path. Then paste our target video path by hitting Ctrl+V. After that, we have to change the source image path. Again, go to the directory panel and copy the path of our source image and then paste it on the code panel's source image path. After all is set, hit the Run button of the deepfake. Now you have to wait some time. After completing the process, refresh the directory panel. You will find a new file named swapped MP4. Download the file on your device by clicking on the three-dot menu and then selecting Download. Alright, our first video is ready. Let's have a look at the after and before a face swap. Really cool and looks like our model. Okay, now in the same way we can create videos as many as we need. You can change the output file name and then replace only the targeted file path and then hit the deepfake Run button. After completing the process with all of your videos, come to your Instagram account and upload the reels on your account. Okay friends, now the account is like a real account. No one can call it fake. Now one question, how can we increase the number of followers quickly? You can analyze a similar account and find who are following her. You can follow them. If you follow them, they will follow back you. With this method, you can increase the number of followers quickly. Now you can prompt offers with your AI-generated Instagram account and can earn passive money. You can apply the same method on TikTok and other social media platforms. Right, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating Instagram influencers with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!